Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to nutrition and healthy eating. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 effective methods for identifying ultra-processed foods. Processed foods have become increasingly common in our diets, and understanding which ones are ultra-processed is crucial for our health. Method 1. Check the ingredient list. Start by reading the ingredient list carefully, and be cautious of items you can't pronounce or understand. Look out for added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives, as these are indicators of ultra-processed foods. Method 2. Assess the packaging. Pay attention to the packaging, as ultra-processed foods tend to come in brightly colored boxes or bags. These foods often have attractive labels and exaggerated health claims, so be mindful of marketing tactics. Method 3. Analyze the nutritional information. Take a closer look at the nutritional information on the packaging, specifically the amount of added sugars and unhealthy fats. Ultra-processed foods typically have high levels of these components, along with low fiber content. Method 4. Consider the preparation process. Consider how the food is made or prepared, as ultra-processed foods often involve complex industrial methods. Foods that require extensive processing and lack recognizable ingredients are more likely to be ultra-processed. Method 5. Use the NOVA classification system. Utilize the NOVA classification system, which categorizes foods into 4 groups based on processing levels. Ultra-processed foods fall into the 4th group, characterized by minimal nutritional value and high levels of additives. Remember, identifying ultra-processed foods is key to making healthier food choices for yourself and your family. By incorporating these methods into your routine, you can become more conscious of what you're putting into your body. Thank you for watching today's video and learning about the 5 methods for identifying ultra-processed foods. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips and advice.